Hi friends, let me show you this new Foxrino work belt that I received for reviewing purposes. It has 17 pockets to put all the tools you need when you are going to be working on a project. Of course, you can adjust the length of the belt to your body size. You can move around the bags where you more need them, okay? I'm going to put it in a better size for myself, okay? And depending on what you like, you can have the bags on your sides, on your front, or anywhere you feel them more comfortable, okay? As you can imagine, you can put your tools everywhere. This is a nice one for this. You can have different tools in every bag, okay? And as you can see, it's really comfortable. It fits perfectly when you adjust it, and you will be able to work more freely, more productive when you use this kind of bags, okay? It can fit your body. It will adjust from 30 to 55 inches width. So basically everyone can use it. So if you're looking for a bag like this for your do-it-yourself project, or if you are a professional of the construction industry, these kind of belts are a great option for you to be more productive, okay? Thank you very much.